Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the base, day-old bread, panko, or crackers, because texture determines crunch and absorption. Once chosen, tear or cut into pieces and spread on a tray to dry. This prevents clumping. Put cooled pieces into a food processor and pulse in short bursts to control size. Stop early for coarse crumbs or longer for fine. Make sure to sift once if you need uniformity, and reserve a small amount whole for topping later. Now refine flavor and texture. Transfer measured crumbs to a bowl and season gradually, because breadcrumbs are a binder and a flavor carrier. You can stir in chopped fresh herbs, dried spices, or zest. Alternatively, toss with a tablespoon of oil for richer mouthfeel. If you want crunch, spread crumbs thinly on a sheet and toast at 180 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes, watching closely. Once toasted, cool completely to keep crispness and avoid sogginess when stored or used. Finish by packing your breadcrumbs correctly. Put them in airtight jars or zip bags, label with date, and keep at room temperature up to 2 weeks or freeze for up to 6 months. When using, measure confidently, about 1/2 to 1 cup per 500 g of meat, or a few tablespoons for coating. If you encounter soggy crumbs, don't discard them. Spread them on a baking tray and retoast at low heat until crisp. Make sure to cool fully before resealing to prevent moisture buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.